Hey guys, it's journal time. I'm so excited because today we're going to talk about making our pieces better. I've got my supplies and we are ready to start making our pieces better. And we have a little saying we use for that in kindergarten, and it is, when we are done, we have just begun. So just because you think you're done with your writing, oh, I'm done, does not mean that we're done. We do something called editing to make our pieces better. So this is what we can do when you think you're done. Add to our pictures. We can look back at our pieces that we've already done and see if there is anything else that we can add to our pictures. They added a sunshine, so I knew what the weather was like. They maybe added this dog. You can always add, what are some things they could add to this picture? Maybe they could add their house if they were at their house, so I would know where they were, or maybe their school. Maybe they could add something to this tree, a bird or a nest, or were they walking their dog? Is their dog on a leash? Maybe they need to add a leash. We can always add more details to our picture because when I look around the world, I see lots and lots of different things. We can also add to our words. We can add more labels, or we can add more sentences to help our reader understand our story. Oops, sorry. We can reread our writing. Sometimes we find when we reread our writing that maybe it didn't make sense. Maybe there's something we need to add. Maybe we left a part out. So we can always reread our writing to make it better. And that is what I'm going to do today in my journal. I wanted to go back and look at one of my pieces. I thought I was done, but when we are done, we have just begun. I noticed when I looked at my picture, I did not have any labels. So I need to do that. I had put a floaty in my picture, and I had ice cream in my picture. Oh, this is me. Me. And this is my friend. And where are we at? We are at the pool. So I saw a lot of things that I could add to my words with my labels, but I also might want to add some details to my drawing. Like in the pool, there were some other people, and they were playing and splashing. And maybe one of them was splashing me. Oh no, maybe I'm going to get wet. And I'm going to get my crayon and add some details to that picture so that you can see me getting wet. Remember that you're going to do a much better job coloring. Miss Craft is just kind of doing a quick job. So I have added more details to my picture. I've added some more labels. And now I'm going to look down at my sentences. I am at the pool. I reread my sentence, and that was right. I was at the pool, but look at how much I have going on. I think I could add some more to my story. I always write that word I with a capital letter. Got. Splashed. Splashed. Oh no, I got splashed at the pool. That makes a much more interesting story, doesn't it? If I just say I am at the pool, that's a good story. But when I start adding details like I got splashed, that starts making a very interesting story, doesn't it? I want you to see if you can look back at one of your old stories or pieces and add some more details. And remember, when you're done, you have just begun.